Tate Coleman was new to Great Barrington, a small town in Massachusetts. His family relocated from New York City. It was a big change. At 13, Tate was accustomed to tall buildings, busy streets, and public transportation. Accustomed means used to, and public for all people. He had always taken the subway to get around New York. Great Barrington had houses and lots of grass and trees, but no subways. Most people got around by car. Tate didn't even see any signs for bus stops. The town did have buses, but few people used public transportation. Tate thought that one reason people were not taking the bus was because it was hard to find the facts. If you wanted to catch a bus, you never knew how, Tate said. I had to do a lot of research to find out about it. Tate wanted to help his new community by improving the bus system, so he wrote letters to several local newspapers to call attention to the problem. In his letters, Tate said that more people would ride the buses if they knew where the bus stops were. Some of the town's government leaders, who were in charge of making changes, took notice. They met with Tate and listened to his ideas. And because of Tate's efforts, the town put up signs at 24 bus stops in Great Barrington. That was just the beginning. Tate wanted to help more people to get around without a car. He also wanted to help the environment. Environment is the natural world. With fewer cars on the road causing pollution, the air would be cleaner. This felt like somewhere I could make a difference, he said. So Tate became an intern for the local government. Intern is someone learning about a job, often as a volunteer. He spent a summer researching by riding buses and collecting facts and information. He counted how many people rode the bus each day. He asked questions. How often did people ride the bus? What did they like about it? What didn't they like? The information helped him come up with ways to improve the bus system so people would use it more. Tate worked with the local government to create a plan that was based on his research. One of his ideas was to add more buses at night. This would help people who worked late. Another idea was to add a bus that would take place to many of the town's stores. This would make it easier to shop without a car. A third idea was to add a bus that would travel directly to the nearest big town. This express bus would skip stops, saving travel time. The town and its residents, like many of Tate's ideas, some part of his plan have been used to improve the bus system. Tate gained a lot of his experience, which is something a person has done. He learned that any citizen, even a teenager, can make an impact in the community.